Waste management, cleaning and sanitation. Waste management. Waste products, processing waste, including trash, cuttings, leaves, and pods generated from the processing of fresh produce, can be a source of contamination. Decomposing waste can serve to spread microorganisms around the facility and generate offensive odors, thereby attracting pests that may be vectors of pathogenic organisms. The following GMPs should be observed for the daily management of waste in a packing facility. Proper handling of waste. A designated area must be identified for internal and external temporary storage of waste. All staff must be trained to ensure that waste is properly handled and collection procedures correctly followed. Areas designated for storage of waste must be at least 4.5 m, 15 feet, away from the packing facility and placed so as to minimize the contamination of food. Areas should be designed to facilitate easy cleaning and removal of the waste to prevent accumulation of residues, pest harborage and bad odors. Waste containers inside the packing facility must be clearly labeled, conveniently placed and tightly covered when not in use. Remove all waste products frequently and include waste collection procedures in daily cleaning activities. Cleaning and sanitation. To reduce the risk of produce contamination, all food contact surfaces must be properly cleaned and sanitized before and after use and records kept. Cleaning. The packing facility should be cleaned daily to minimize and/or prevent contamination of food. Areas that are in direct contact with food are particularly important. Cleaning can be carried out by separate or combined use of physical methods, such as heat, scrubbing, turbulent flow, vacuum cleaning or other methods that avoid the use of water, and chemical methods using detergents, alkalis or acids. Sanitation. To reduce microorganisms, all food contact surfaces should be treated with sanitizing agents. Sanitizing is not a substitute for proper cleaning. Therefore, all food contact surfaces must be cleaned prior to sanitizing to remove dirt, dust, food residues and biofilm. The presence of these reduces the effectiveness of sanitizing agents. Sanitation. To reduce microorganisms, all food contact surfaces should be treated with sanitizing agents. Sanitizing is not a substitute for proper cleaning. Therefore, all food contact surfaces must be cleaned prior to sanitizing to remove dirt, dust, food residues and biofilm. The presence of these reduces the effectiveness of sanitizing agents. Chemical sanitizers are a group of compounds that are used to destroy or substantially reduce the number of undesirable microorganisms. Chlorine-based sanitizers are the most commonly used sanitizers in food applications. Handling and use of sanitizing agents. Storage of sanitizers must be separate from fresh produce and packing material. Employees should be trained in safe handling and use of sanitizers. Carefully follow specific manufacturer's handling and usage instructions for each product. Employees should wear protective gear, such as goggles and gloves, while handling and working with sanitizers. Handling and disposal of sanitizers should be in accordance with national standards. To learn more, download the app. Follow us on